Hey guys, it's Josie, and today I just wanted to do a little cleaning and organizing video. So I have a bunch of stuff in the living room and also in my room. It's like the middle of November and I still have my Halloween stuff up in my room. So I need to take care of that, and the only problem is the stuff that I got this year for Halloween doesn't fit into my containers because they also have my Christmas stuff. So I'm gonna have to put it somewhere else, and let's just get right into the video. The first thing I did was write my to-do list for the day, so I just put a couple different things on there of everything that I wanted to clean up and everything that I needed to take care of for today. And then I also put this video into my YouTube video planner, so I'm gonna come out with another video that talks about how I plan my YouTube videos, but you can kind of see here what I do. And basically I'm just writing down more of a detail of my to-do list, but specifically for what is going to be in the video and not just what I'm doing for the whole day. Then I picked up the stuff that was in the living room. So this is by the end of the couch. I picked all of this up first so that I could take it upstairs. And then I also took care of the stuff by the chair. So I've just been throwing stuff here for a couple days. So I wanted to clean it all up and throw away the garbage and take the other stuff upstairs. I also had my toolbox downstairs, so I went ahead and got that so that I could put it back under my bed. Then I had some stuff that I needed to put away under my bed, so I went ahead and put a couple things in there so that I didn't have to worry about them being out somewhere, and they were put away nice and organized. So I put like my holiday reusable bags in there from Halloween and stuff because it's no longer Halloween and I can use my Christmas ones. After that, I had some clothes to take care of, so just random clothes that I had in a basket that were clean but I never put away. I also had a sheet that was sitting out, so I made sure to fold that up and put it in my bin of other bed sheets. Now that my clothes are taken care of for the most part, I'm gonna go ahead and put away my Halloween stuff, or try to at least. I might leave this orange pumpkin blanket out because it can still work for fall, but I also want to decorate for Christmas. I'm just not sure what I'm gonna do this year and how much I'm gonna put up since I have my desk now. I hope you guys enjoyed this cleaning and organizing video. If you want to see more, you can like and subscribe down below, or leave a comment on what you want to see next, and have a nice day!